Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with some new sticker books that I just got in my squad box. So I'm super excited to flip through all of these sticker books. So we have All the Feels, Merry and Bright Mini, Summer Fun, Winter, and Fall. All right, let's get started. So the first one I'm flipping through here is Fall. Look at that. I love new seasonal. Ooh, my favorite part of fall sticker books are the leaves. Always the leaves. Ooh, and there's so many. Pretty. Ooh, and cute Halloween stuff. Go. Now, I have to admit, I haven't ever purchased a full sticker book just for fall, winter, spring, summer. I always just buy a yearly one just because I don't feel like I use these enough. But these are cute. Ooh, for Thanksgiving. It's fall, y'all. These are gorgeous. Ooh, look at that orange foil. Because I feel like in Canada here, our fall season is literally like the 2 weeks between summer and winter. And then suddenly it's like winter. And I mean, it's already cold here and it's not even, excuse me, it's not even September and the leaves have already turned. You're creeping me out. I love that. I love Jana's lettering. Super cute. Ooh, I'm actually falling in love with the purple foil more and more. Oh my god, I love fall. And I love that there's purple in here. Purple's such a great Halloween color. I have to admit, I don't know if I would use all of this. I'd probably use it for like a couple of, I say I'd use it for a couple of weeks, and then I see the whole knitting section. This speaks to me. Knitting all the cozy things. Yes. Yes. Love those 2 pages. Okay, you guys might hate me, but I'm not big into decorating for Halloween. Though these are pretty cute. The apples, if it's raining, then I'm not coming. Then if that were true, I would have missed so many outings and stuff when I lived in the UK. Happy Meowloween. Ooh, I love that they made Jana's lettering into this. Shopping list. I'm only a morning person on Black Friday. Love this foiling. Okay, so I have to admit, I love maybe about like 40% of the stickers in there, and the others I'm just kind of like, they're not my style. But for everybody else who loves fall, this is a great sticker book for you. Next, we have Winter. So it's like another, I feel like it's more Christmassy, and I don't mind having lots of Christmas sticker books because I decorate Christmas from like last week in November. Ooh. This is great for memory planning. Different Santa this year, but on a blue background. I love these. These are, oh my goodness. Like not your traditional Christmas colors, but gorgeous. But they still feel seasonal for Christmas. Love those colors. Cute. Oh, what fun. Love these. I love this color scheme. That's not your traditional Christmas. And there's still the leaves. I feel like you could use those at any time of year. Sweater weather. Oh, I love the pencil crayon look of that. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. Merry and Bright Hot Cocoa and Fuzzy Socks. Okay, now I'm mostly seeing Christmas here. And these are adorable. Oh my god, I love Christmas sweaters. So from what I'm seeing, it's mostly, it feels Christmassy rather than wintry. But then now that I say that, we're coming into the winter part. Ooh, look at that. That would be actually quite hard to photograph, I think. These are cute. I feel like there really is more Christmas rather than winter. It's, yeah, it really feels more like just another Christmas sticker book. The sloths are adorable. And again, Jana's lettering, which is delightful. Oh, Valentine's Day. Did I miss New Year's? There's New Year's. Okay, so it feels like one page that really feels wintry. And I mean, there's sweater weather, but it feels more like an extension of a Christmas sticker book, but I still love it. Next we have, oh, you know what? Yes, we'll look at Summer Fun. Now, I don't feel like Summer Fun is normally how I would decorate a spread. When I decorate for summer, you guys know me, it's florals all the way. So I can already tell that this isn't necessarily my style, but I could see this being like my daughter. My daughter would love this. These are cute. And actually this is great as a project for kids, like reading log, art camp, visit the museum. It's a great way to memory plan for kids and to create a summer reading list. So I'm already thinking, yes, I'm definitely going to give this sticker book to my daughter. She would love the summer sticker books. I mean, I love summer, don't get me wrong, but I mostly decorate with florals during the summer. Oh, the camper van is pretty cute. Lazy day, say cheese. I find that like it's a cute sticker book. Ooh. I was going to say the color scheme is not my style, but this color scheme is more my style. Like this are more my style. But the really bright rainbow colors, not so much me. But it is still a super cute book. And I'm so thankful for the Happy Planner for sending this. And I am going to give this to my daughter and let her enjoy this when she can next summer. Adorable. Movie night. And it's a great way to get your kids into memory planning and journaling. I mean, why not? You get cute stickers. Pizza and barbecue. This actually feels like my whole summer. Really cute. All right, and that's the last page on that one. So that's Summer Fun. Next, Merry and Bright. Out of all the seasonal stuff, I cannot have too many Christmas books. Ooh. And then this is for the mini. I already love the color scheme. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I love this. This is already my favorite. Wow. So this is for, it looks like the mini horizontal, but you can, I like it. Shopping lists, This is for the mini lined vertical. I like it. So they're combining the different layouts into the one sticker book. Good job, Happy Planner. Gift list. This looks like it would either fit in the vertical or possibly the dashboard. Oh, come on. This looks like it's lined vertical. Super cute, but you could certainly use it in any planner. These are adorable. Ooh. Is that one? No, yeah, these are individual stickers. I thought it was like one big sticker. Oh, I love these so much. Oh, cute boxes, and then the hexagons. Ooh, the rose gold foil. This particular page feels more like Valentine's Day to me, but I think it's just because of the hearts. Oh, look at that. Look at all those flags. Super cute. Oh, adorable. Have a cup of cheer. I love the look of this sticker book. I love the color scheme. I love how many decorative stickers there are in here. There's so many. Oh, I love it. And the skaters and the well, I say skate. They look like elves, but it's just because they have, but they're skaters. Ice skating. So cute. Ooh, the farmhouse. And the truck with the Christmas tree. And then I like Santa on the gray background. I like that. It's a similar Santa from last year. All right, so that is the mini Merry and Bright. I love Christmas sticker books. So I think out of all of like the seasonal ones, I would probably keep Winter and Merry and Bright, even though I probably wouldn't use them all. I don't know. We'll see. I am a minimalist at heart, so I don't know if having this many seasonal books would probably overwhelm me. That is my honest opinion. Lastly is All the Feels, and I believe this goes with the All the Feels 12-month planner, and that particular planner has a different layout. So it's a vertical layout, but with the ability to track your moods and things. So I can tell it's already super bright with a really, really, bright graphics, but there's a place to check off, how you're feeling. It's okay to not be okay today. To unplug, take 5. I feel like this sticker book reminds me of Plan with Gabe. It really does. Like all of the rainbow, it reminds me of him, but also Kenya and Jasmine reminds me of you guys. Of all the rainbow and the bright colors. Go. What I love so far about the stickers that I've received and the sticker releases is that there's so many different ones that, they're trying to, oops, I skipped a page. I like those though. That they are trying to meet all different styles, different types of planners, different age groups. And if one set of stickers or one set of planners doesn't feel you, that like doesn't, isn't suited for you, that's okay. You don't have to buy absolutely everything. Look at those faces. You don't have to buy everything. You don't have to have everything. You can, if you only came out with one planner and one sticker book this year, then great. You bought the ones that you absolutely love and the ones that you will actually use. These are cute. And again, I feel like I would give this with the All the Feels book. Ate something healthy, stayed offline. These are great. Cleaned my room. Yeah, I sometimes need that. These are cute as well. It's okay to stay in on a Friday night, and I feel like I need that all the time. Therapy, what are you grateful for? What did you accomplish? Really cute. Anxiety tracker. This is interesting. I like that. I really, really like that. And there's quite a few of them as well. This I enjoy. I feel like if I didn't get anything else but this, I'd be happy with just this. Really, really cute. And then some more trackers. To do today, note to self. Cute. I feel like it's a great sticker book for anybody who loves these color schemes, but also would find, tracking all of those really, really useful. All right, so those are all the sticker books that I have received from the Happy Planner. Love them. They're not all necessarily my style, so I may not keep all of them, but we will see. All right, but that is it for me. If you guys are interested in purchasing these, they are available on the Happy Planner website as of Thursday, September 3rd. I have left my affiliate link down in the description below. So, help a creator out and use the affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything, and it just takes you guys straight to the site from my YouTube video. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.